Hey guys, what's going on? So, I haven't filmed anything while we have been married, but ProClip reached out to me. I know I installed one of their phone clips in my car, and they reached out to me to try out their phone clip for the truck. So, I'm going to go through the different accessories here and explain what they are, and then yeah, we'll go from there. If you guys remember from my previous video on the Golf, the ProClips come in two different parts. So you have your mount, your angled mount. So this is going to clip behind the grill of the truck, and then you have your phone clip part. And if you look, I don't know if it'll focus, but that's the part number for the phone case. I have an iPhone SX Max, and here's the part for the angled mount. Yeah, so these two parts clip together inside the cab, and I'll show you that process next. Alright guys, so we open up the base mounting part of this. One good thing that I love about ProClip is their directions are super simple and super easy. I'm a picture guy, not a word guy, so I like that they throw some pictures of how exactly to install it. And if we look here, it's fairly easy. All we do is we push the vent all the way in, and you hook the back side of this clip, if I can get it hooked here. And if you push the inside part here, even with an aftermarket radio, this works. It should clip right on there. After I get this clipped, we'll check back in. So my wife and I actually it took two of us to get this on here. So basically, if you look back here, these clips hook right behind the plastic. You really have to push on them to get them to hook just right behind it. And then if you look on this side, they hook right behind this plastic. My phone's in the way. Right behind this plastic, you can see it. And like in my Golf, man, these clips are the real deal. They make the phone not even move. So yeah, after we had got this installed, all we had to do is push those vents back so they were sitting flush, and it was that easy. Obviously, again, the cool stuff about ProClip is their directions are super easy to follow, and there's lots of pictures, and I'm a picture guy. So we're going to start. Basically what you do is you take your phone, you have set screws. Basically you slide your phone in as tight as you want it. You get the width, you tighten these screws to get how tight you want it on your phone, and then there's a little screw in here that we have to undo to unmount the actual mount feature of the clip, and that actually mounts right here with those little holes. So what I'm going to do now is, actually I already did it, but you just slide your phone in there as tight as you want it. So that's done, and you tighten your set screws. So I'm just going to finish tightening them here. It's as tight as I want them. And then what you're going to do is you're going to undo the screw from the back here. To release the mount. Just like that. So I just leave the screw in there because you don't need to really do anything with it. And they come with your 4 screws in a little baggie. So all we do now is we take these out. Just don't lose any. They're dinky. We pick our mounting location, how we want it to set. So let's see here. We're going to get this mounted up. You just basically get these screws in there and hold them. I'm going to check back in after I get this because I'm going to need two hands to do it. Alright guys, so we went ahead and got this part mounted. Obviously these 4 screws are what we had to put in there. They were just hard to see, so one of us had to hold my phone light, and yeah, I went ahead and just screw it in. So we got those 4 screws in, and what we're going to do now is there's a little set screw. You can see it right there. The screw that I had to undo to release this part here, we just basically have to retrace our steps. It'll snap in, and then we just screw it in, and you should be good to go. So again, it snaps in. You hear it snap like that, and then all you got to do is tighten her up. Basically what this does is this is how you adjust what angle you want it to sit at once it's snapped in. So I'm going to do mine right there. And you'll feel it tighten up and get sturdier the more you tighten it. What I'm using isn't what I should have used, but yeah, see, it's not going anywhere. It's solid. And then I know we're using our phone for a light, but what I'm gonna do, slide your phone in, wham bam, all done. So it's really that easy. I mean, it probably took us a total of 10 minutes maybe total, and that's unboxing. I had to run to the house and get screwdrivers. So a fast, easy install. Quality is superb, like always. And again, it's literally the best phone clip on the market for any vehicle. And you know, I've had it in my Golf for probably a year, and I get compliments all the time. People riding in the car, man, what kind of phone clip is that? It's in a good location. It's sturdy. It's not going anywhere. And yeah, so we got the ProClip installed. It's a great addition to your vehicle, obviously, and I just want to show you again the model that we had for the truck so you can use it on yours. So this one, again, that's what phone it's for. And one thing I like about the ProClip is they have different width mounting parts. So this is for a smaller medium case. I run something called the Unicorn Beetle phone case on all my phones, and it's in that small medium range. It's not super thick like an OtterBox, but it still offers the same protection as an OtterBox, but it's not just the phone itself. And then the angled mount is that dash mount, and that's the item number, and that's for the up top next to the radio. I think there's a couple other different options for the GMT-400s. But yeah, that's one I chose. And if you like this video, you want me to do some more, leave some comments below. Like and subscribe to the channel. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook, 65Sam, both places. Like this channel. And we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.